Plano ISD is designed for every student.
I went to elementary school in Plano. I transferred into private schools, and then I came back as an IB student.
The district offers world-class programs that support every student's individual talents, interests, and career goals.
We transferred into Plano ISD with my daughter. I was like, I have dyslexia, and private schools are not required to help me.
In Plano ISD, families can choose the specialized path that best fits their child's needs.
I really like it because I can choose classes that pertain to engineering and kind of get a head start before I go into college. My old school was also limited on classes.
Plano has really opened up a lot of options for me through swim, through ROTC, through robotics.
My very shy child has now come out of her shell and is leading other children and being taught how to be a leader, and that other people saw leadership in her. It was a very proud moment.
Offering more than 32 CTE programs of study, 7 specialized academy programs, and a full array of athletic and fine arts programs, great futures begin in Plano ISD. Enrollment is now open. Learn more at pisd.edu/enroll.